Okay, guys, what's up? Welcome back to the old channel. Hope you guys are having a good week so far. It is Tuesday. My standard and Twain package came in yesterday, so that is what I'm going to be doing a very unorthodox unboxing of. So, currently smoking cigar number, 62. They don't tell you what cigar it is that you're smoking. They basically give you a little description card, and that way you smoke it blindly and then scan the QR code to figure out what cigar it is that you're smoking. So far this thing is fantastic. It's also my first cigar in like 4 days, so yeah, it's a nice change. But it's a subscription service, so you get two different levels. You got the standard subscription and the serious subscription, which is basically, what, 4 cigars? 4 cigars. It's a pair of each cigar that you get, and it's $40 for the serious subscription. Now, the one that I got was the standard, so it's 2 sticks, and that one is $20. The first box that it comes with a cutter, box of matches. I don't use matches because I have a Zippos. Also forgot to mention drinking some Rampage coffee, and use RSW 20 if you are going to pick any up, which I highly recommend you do. So pretty much when you get your package, it comes in the mail. You go to your mailbox or wherever you pick packages up from, either your post office, your mailbox, or your front doorstep, and you get this really cool looking heavy cardboard envelope. Inside that, it's kind of like Russian nesting dolls or whatever they're called. Inside the envelope is another envelope that you have to open, and then inside that is another package with the cigars in it. So basically inside the main envelope, which is a heavy cardboard one, you get this really cool kind of old worldy looking paper. Inside of the paper envelope is where you get the cigars, as well as the lighter, cutter, all that kind of thing. So as I mentioned before, the standard subscription is $20. The serious subscription is $40. Anyway, go check them out at Standard and Twain on the old Instagrams, as well as standardandtwain.com. Highly recommend you pick up a subscription to these guys. They're fantastic, and they make a killer product. So anyway, I'll leave all the links as usual down below, and if you like what you're seeing, like, share, subscribe, notification bell, all. Anyway, I'm gonna finish this cigar and coffee, and hope you all have a great week. See you next week, and peace out in the home sliced hood.